अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आई एम फैज़ा उमर। आज बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग लेसन के साथ हम आज के लेसन को शुरू करेंगे। दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और इंटरेस्टिंग लेसन and today I will describe you about the letters and their sounds that are very similar and how we pronounce them and meaning is going to change. Okay, this page is taken from the book Talaffuzul Quran that is written by the Inamul Haq Quraishi, and I just take that one page from that book because it's very important and interesting. So let's start our lesson. नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बिशरह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली वजअल ली वज़ीरम मिन अहली अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद. So let's start our lesson. This is the first one you can see over here. This is मिलती जुलती आवाज़ों वाले हरूफ पर ज़बर ज़ेर पेश लगाने से. The letters that have almost the similar sounds, if we place zabar zer or pesh over them, so this is ha and this is ha. Both are ha and zabar on top. Now, और इन सब की जिस हरूफ के तलफ़ुज़ पर अदायगी की जाती है, and most of the times how we recite this both of them as the one ha. We don't recite them as ha and ha. We mix their sound and just we recite ha ha like this. Okay, so we'll see over here now. This is, we have alhamdu. This is the ha one. We should pronounce ha. Alhamdu, tamam tarife. When you pronounce this word alhamdu, then its meaning is tamam tarife. But when you recite alhamdulillahi, so meaning is going to change because you didn't pronounce this one as ha, you said ha. Alhamdu instead of alhamdu. So this is alhamdu means आग की हरारत का ख़त्म होना या मौत का तारी होना, मौत तारी होना. ठीक है, so meaning is going to change completely. This is alhamdu, all praises for Allah, and this is alhamdu, the person is going to dead, or the meaning is death, or the hotness of the fire is going to finish. So some like this. Now see, the next one is nahrun. This is ha, nahrun. That means darya. We pronouncing this one as gol ha, nahrun, darya. And this is nahrun, nahrun, and that means qurbani karna. Nahrun, qurbani karna. So if you mix up both of these sounds, the ha or ha, so meaning is going to change. See how the sounds are important in Arabic language and in the Quran. When we are going to recite, we should learn about the sounds ha and ha. Most of the time we just recite this sound ha. We not pronounce this one ha. So this is quite difficult sound, but we can learn this one by the practice. Okay, next one, see, this is this letter tha, the very soft sound, seen, the whistle sound, and sod, the whistle one, right? So three of them, how we recite them? As seen, seen, seen. We should recite tha, we should recite seen, we should recite saw, but we just recite seen, 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 the s whistle sound instead of sa and sod. Now we'll check how this is going to change the meaning. Now first letter is nasrun. This is sod. We have to make thick sound and we'll pronounce nasrun. Nasrun. You see, it's a whistle sound or then the thick sound. Nasrun. And its meaning is madad, help. Nasrun, madad, help. And if you recite nasrun as nasrun, nasrun, and it's mean gid, vulture. Hmm? One word is nasrun, help, and nasrun, gid. Hmm? We are asking help to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala कि वो हमारी मदद करे. And when we are saying nasrun, nasrun, so we are asking for gid, not for help. Meaning is going to change completely by just one letter, sawed and seen. Now see, next one is ismun, the seen one. Ismun, it means name, naam. Ismun, naam. And the next one is ifmun, ifmun, and this is gunah, sin. Ifmun, gunah, sin, sin. So nasrun, the thick sound, nasrun, thin sound, ismun, seen one, ifmun, tha one. So this is difference all about seen and then sod and then tha. Now the next one is zal. See, zal pesh zu, za pesh zu, wa pesh zu, and za pesh zu. And four of them we just recite with only one sound, and that is za, za, za. See? Za pesh zu, za pesh zu, za pesh zu, za. All of them we recite as za. Zalla, 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 zalla. Just. So this is not right. Let's check over here. If we recite this word zalla with the zal letter, with zal letter, so this would be zalla, and this means wo zaleel hua, wo zaleel hua, zalla, zal lam, zalla, wo zaleel hua, and zalla. It is the thin sound, or we can say the whistle sound, zalla, buzzing sound. Wo pisla, slept. Zalla, wo pisla. Or now see, walla. This is with zaw, soft sound and thick sound. Walla, wo ho gaya. Walla, wo ho gaya. And this is with zawad. Walla, 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 walla. वो गुमराह हो गया. Zolal, or we use the word dolal, dolal or zolal. So this is zolla, zolla, वो गुमराह हुआ. Zolla, वो हो गया. Zalla, वो फिसला. And zalla, वो zaleel हुआ. So this is the difference. When we are not going to change the sounds accordingly, we are not changing the meaning. We have to make the right sound so we can make the right meaning. Zalla, वो zaleel हुआ. Zalla, वो फिसला. Walla, वो हो गया. And zalla, वो गुमराह हुआ. So inshallah, in the next lesson, I will tell you about the next letters that are very similar to each other, and we just mix up their sounds and all together and meanings their change. So this is today's lesson, and that is ha and ha. I hope so that now you will concentrate more to learn the sounds appropriately. Okay, so subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.